1, 2, 3, burp!
Pardon me.
Hello there.
Oops, excuse me. Oops, excuse me.
Who's that?
Oh, and there it is! There was always an outside...
Forsooth, I shall slay thee!
Sir Hotbreath, the not-so-proper, ready to serve the king. My apologies, sire, but I'm beginning to wonder if this holy quail even... exists. Room, make room. All Langelot, you've brought the, potato salad. You almost baked him, you don't. If she keeps this up, we'll be out of a job. I'm not getting a good feeling about this. Princess Flame is taking care of the distressed damsels and the oppressed village serfs. It's clear we knights have been replaced. No! Having trouble sleeping? Sire?
I've got this big bag of money!
He stole the drawbridge!
Nobody sneeze.
Ouch, my bottom!
Sorry, stone of wisdom. That's how Knights of the Square Table trim trees. We've sworn to uphold the King's Code. We have no choice. Popcorn! I suggest a dose of good old medieval anesthetic.